morning to all. Myself Sarupa. I am from the Department of Electrical and Electronics Engineering. Today we discuss about the fairness and justice. Introduction to fairness and justice. Fairness and justice are fundamental concepts in philosophy and ethics. They play a crucial role in shaping laws, policies and social norms. Understanding these concepts helps in addressing inequalities and promoting social cohesion. Definition of fairness. Fairness refers to the impartial and equitable treatment of individuals. It often involves giving everyone an equal opportunity without favorism. Different cultures may interpret fairness in various ways, influencing societal expectations. Definition of justice. Justice is the principle of moral rightness based on ethics, laws and fairness. It encompasses the idea of giving each individual their due and addressing wrongs. Justice can be categorized into distributive, procedural and retributive forms. Theories of justice. Various philosophical theories seek to define what constitutes justice. Utilitarianism focuses on maximizing overall happiness of the greatest number. Rawls' theory of justice emphasizes fairness by advocating for equal rights and opportunities. Fairness in society. Societal fairness can be seen in various institutions, including education and the workplace. Policies aimed at promoting fairness often focus on equal access and representation. Addressing biases in systems helps build trust and social stability. Justice in legal system. Justice is a cornerstone of legal system worldwide and ensuring laws and order. Fair legal process requires impartial judges and equitable application of laws. The criminal justice system aims to balance punishment with rehabilitation and fairness. Challenge to fairness and justice. Systemic inequalities can hinder the realization of fairness and justice. Discrimination based on race, gender or socio-economic status poses significant challenges. Addressing these challenges requires comprehensive reforms and societal commitment. Now coming to the role of advocacy. Advocacy groups play a critical role in promoting fairness and justice. They work to raise awareness and influence policy changes on behalf and marginalized communities. Grassroots movement often led to significant social changes and reforms. Now coming to the global perspectives. Different cultures and nations have unique approaches to fairness and justice. International laws and human rights frameworks aim to unify standards across borders. Understanding diverse perspectives can enhance global cooperation and peace. Now, conclusion. Fairness and justice are essential for fostering healthy societies and relationships. Continuous dialogue and action are needed to ensure these principles are upheld. By promoting fairness and justice, we contribute to a more equitable world for all. Fairness and justice. Fairness and justice are twin concepts concerned with process and consequence. They establish moral standards for decisions that affect others. Fairness and justice acknowledge and deal with concepts such as equality, openness, impartiality, and consistency. These are the fairness and justice concepts